Well, this fake drive scam, of course, being seen as one of the largest of what has been reported so far there in Mumbai and Thane. One case of it, of course, that came in from Thane. But there's another one which is unfolding with ongoing investigations that are taking place in Kolkata. Now, the TMC here, but we're looking at how this is getting more and more political by allegations that come in from the TMC against the alleged BJP involvement here to this. The TMC having released a picture alleging the link of the governor, the state governor Dhankar, with the accused's aide. The TMC has claimed here that the man seen in this family photograph of the governor was the personal security guard of the fake IS officer Debanjan Deb, who's the kingpin of this scam. We should remember Debanjan, who had posed as a fake IS officer, tried to pull off a fake vaccine drive in Kolkata.
कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स और दूसरा कागजात भी अभी बंटन किया आप लोगों के पास, जिसमें दिखाई दे रहा है कि वो जो इम्पोस्टर है देबांजन और देबांजन की कथित सिक्योरिटी वो राज्यपाल जी के साथ अपना तस्वीर दिखाई दे रहा है कि राज्यपाल जी अपने परिवार की जो मेंबर्स हैं और दूसरे उनके अपना आदमी है उनके साथ खड़े हुए हैं और उनके ठीक पीछे देबांजन का कथित सिक्योरिटी वो भी खड़े हैं। ये कैसे मुमकिन हुआ, मुझे आश्चर्य लगा। अभी जब ये जो तस्वीरें हमारे पास आया तो हम चौंक पड़े कि बाप रे, ये देबांजन इतना इन्फ्लुएंशियल है कि उनका सिक्योरिटी भी राज्यपाल जी के साथ तस्वीर खींच रहा है एक साथ। तो ये तो मामला बहुत गंभीर है और ये गंभीर मामला ठीक से जांच होने के लिए अब जो SIT अपॉइंट किया गया, हम लोग SIT के पास जाएंगे। इस बारे में उनको हमारे पास जितने जानकारी है वो जानकारी हम उनको देंगे ताकि ठीक से जांच हो और जो आदमी इसके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, ये रैकेट के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, all racketeers must be brought to book.
Times Network's Tamal Saha is getting us further updates here on this. Tamal, while we see that the state police here, of course, has made multiple arrests to this case, but we're also seeing how the TMC is eager to make this case political as well. Just yesterday, we had the Chief Minister attack the Union Home Minister. Today, we have the TMC attacking the state governor as well.
Well, yes, over the past couple of days, we have seen as how several pictures of the kingpin of fake vaccination row, Debanjan Deb, along with some bureaucrats, some Trinamool Congress ministers and leaders have surfaced and mostly being circulated on social media by by several people, also being put out by BJP in their official Twitter handle. So BJP is trying to question as whether the association Trinamool Congress is something that had given him any kind of impunity. If yes, should that also be probed? Even though Mamata Banerjee has strongly dismissed it, Trinamool Congress has strongly dismissed it. But today, interestingly, Trinamool Congress has come up with pictures of Debanjan Deb's security in a family photograph of Raj Bhavan of Governor Jagdeep Dhankar, and they are trying to suggest that whether the security person of Debanjan Deb had access to Raj Bhavan, and if that makes any Raj Bhavan or the governor any complicit in the entire scheme of things, should that also be probed? So we have to now wait and see how the Raj Bhavan reacts to it, because the governor has not really reacted to all these allegations as yet. But then the allegations have been made by Trinamool Congress, and they are trying to suggest that the Raj Bhavan, the Raj Bhavan was, had seen the access of the same security person who was giving security to Debanjan Deb.
Tamal, many thanks for getting us those updates there.